Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually connect your Gotv GoCoda 1 to your TV set. So how you can make good use of all the ports available on your Gotv GoCoda 1. Alright, so at the back here we have RF out and RF in, and the RF in, that's where you're going to connect your antenna cable. That's the signal cable coming from your antenna. Alright, and I have the RF out, which if you are to transfer the signal through the radio frequency to a different TV set, that's where you're going to use the RF out. It's not going to give you quality video output, so you can use a different option if you are to transfer the video signal to another TV set. And I have the USB ports right here, which you can connect any dongle onto it or USB cable to actually make good use of it. We have the AV port, that's where you're going to connect your cable to your TV set. Alright, so you have the phono port over here, and the other side have to be the AV, video and audio cable being spread out for you to actually connect it to your TV. I have the adapter port right here for you to power the decoder. So this is how you do the connection. The first thing have to be the signal cable that will go to the antenna for you to actually get your signal. So with the cable, if you don't know how to strip it, this is how you should strip the cable. So you have to level it so that you won't find it difficult to actually cut some off if you don't have any cutter over there. Alright, so you need to remove ½ inch of the first layer. You need to do like this, and after removing it, you need to take this 8 wires. You shouldn't remove it at all. Alright, you should lay on it like this, and then remove the second layer, remaining the main pin. Alright, the next thing is to fix the F connector. This is the F connector. It's like this, and you insert it in the RF in, not the RF out. Okay, RF in. Alright, so you insert it over there. And the other side goes to your antenna. This is the antenna. Alright, so after that, the next thing will be your AV cable. Okay, so you come to the AV cable, which will go to your TV set to actually get a video over there. So it comes along with this phono to AV out cable. Insert the jack port over here into the port, and this side goes to your TV. Alright, the white cable for the white port on your TV, yellow for yellow, and red for red. So after that, left with your adapter cable to actually power your decoder. So it comes along with a 12-volt adapter. So you insert the adapter over here, and you power your decoder to actually get your signal and then your channels working on it. Alright, so if you find this video helpful and you are new here, you got to do subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.